Okay, today we got a WeatherGuard Bed Rat. It's a model number 3200. 750-pound bed slide. This is a tray that can bolt into the bed of the truck. You can put stuff in here and it'll slide out like a bed slide or a cargo glide. This is in good shape. It's not had a lot of use on it. There's the model number. 3200 is the model number. Bolts down with those supports there. It does have the mat, the rubber mat on it, or a rubber mat. I don't know if it's the one that's supposed to be on it, but it's got a rubber mat on it with 3/4 inch plywood there on the floor. Looks in good shape. According to the specs, it says 750-pound capacity. So this is, like I said, it's a bed slide type piece. So you have a lever right here, you pull out like that, and this slides out. Then it has a locking position at the first step. Right there is your first locking position. And then you can slide on out again here. You should have another one. Then it has basically two locking positions right there, and there's the second one, like so. So that's it. That's pretty much everything. It does have really nice bearings and stuff that rolls in on there, so definitely a heavy-duty piece. It does have some extra brackets in here that came off the truck when we got it. I don't know if it's all of them, but it's at least the majority of the pieces. Then you pull this lever here again, and then that allows it to slide back in, back to the original side. Slides all the way back into the bed of the truck. So below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are available for on our website as well. So you can click that link there, go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. Looking for something specific for your truck, certain cap style, brand, ladder racks, bed slides, things like that. We upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps and our used stuff, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. If you wanted to, on this particular unit, we could skid it up and make it shippable. You'd be responsible for the freight on that. But typically these would be local pickup, and you would need to make arrangements to come to one of our stores to pick them up. Thanks for watching.